There's a massive volcano on Mars, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Olympus Mons is the volcano in the solar system, measuring 25 kilometers tall, and over 600 kilometers wide at the base. That is about the size of France. It would take over 7 months to hike to the top, although you might want to hold your breath, because Mars' atmosphere is so thin that the volcano's peak actually pokes out above it. Meaning if you were to hike Olympus Mons, you would have literally hiked into space. Thanks for watching.